Metal roof, cedar shingle sided. This is a Maine waterfront property. You have a lake for a neighbor, all 4 seasons. You get garages, carports, lots of masonry, brickwork, stonework, fireplaces. We're on the south shore of Drews Lake. Holton Water Company is the utility. That is cheap electrical power. You've got a metal roof, cedar shakes for siding. Everything's got concrete foundation under it, even this carport that's 22 by 10. Welcome to 116 South Shore Road, Drews Lake. Your garage is 24 by 20. There's an extension on the back. This little shed could be a bunkhouse. Your septic system is the 1,000-gallon variety done right by the book with infiltrators. Has a leach field across the road with a pump. It protects the lake. It was put in right. You gotta have a garage to store your vehicles, your toys. You're going to have a lot of recreational vehicles. You got to put them somewhere. Again, the garage 24 by 20. This wood shed in the back is 10 by 20. This was a family cottage that was used since 1958 till about late 70s. Then it was transformed into a lake shore 4-season home. Lots of masonry. It's a masonry family, which is real obvious because of the brick, slate, stone. I love it. This is a little loft that you could use for storage, or kids would love to have a sleeping bag up here. This home has every nook and cranny used for a purpose. See the wall of closets? Nothing wasted. And the motto is, live simply. With all the stone, just think how that Hammond organ sounds. You play the keyboards? The 88s? Let's do the first level, the kitchen, dining area, living room, and the sauna, as they say in Finland. Plenty of cabinets, all you need. Heading back to the entry, here's your laundry room with the saloon doors. It's more than a laundry. It has storage space. It's a utility closet area. 3-line chimneys in this home. One of them not being used, that's where the sauna or the sauna is. That's how you're supposed to say it, according to some folks from Finland that we sold to that built one. A perfect clarion, the real McCoy. See the stonework? Appliances stay, including the washer and dryer. The kitchen opens to the den that opens to a bar that has a living room in front that used to be a porch. You've got an exterior door to open for ventilation. Lots of air can come in through those windows. You have heatilators in your fireplace. That is an efficient fireplace. Get the general idea? You have a lot of areas, not rooms. Everything's open. Remember I told you, it's a family that knows how to do things with stone, tile, rocks. That's hardwood flooring. That's wainscoting around the built-in bookcase. Full bath with tile, tub and shower. See the storage on the side? See the long space? And that is the sauna on the end. The exposed brick chimney for that clarion wood stove is right here, and that'll give off some heat. Plus you have one inside your sauna room. You've been working all day outside. Good feeling, but you gotta warm your bones. This is where you do it. It works a lot better than a hot tub. Pull up a seat. This is a big thing in the Scandinavian countries. You could rent this out year-round, like extended stay, for travelers at the hospital, for folks that like to Airbnb vacation. The coolest room in the summer is down in the basement. All the stone, the solid ledge, is part of it. Here's another little wood stove on the way to a bedroom. This is your wood furnace. You don't need a great big stove to get you nice and warm. There's your water heater, your water pump. More brickwork, more slate flooring. Here's a great place for wood storage, built right on solid rock. 3 closets in this bedroom. Yep, that's a fireplace with heatilators. Built-in places for your firewood. This is a very efficient fireplace with the heatilators. All that brick that holds the mass, the heat. See the beams? They're not just for looks, they are for support. Again, this is extremely well built, and it's waterfront. Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. I live on this lake, and I am pretty partial to it. Maine has a lot of nice lakes, but Drew's is hard to beat. You're only 9 miles from Holton. I've got high-speed internet. Holton Water Company power is very cheap for a utility, and it's a big lake, 1,057 acres. Lots of islands, 4 or 5 of them. Go up into the fishing grounds, into Big Sand Cove, Little Sand Cove. There's a lot of interesting areas in the little lake and the big lake. We'll show you around the lake. Let's take it up. Let's go skyward. Let's fire up the drone. A magic time to show the waterfront is either early in the morning or toward sunset. That's the magic time on the ends of the day. No matter what the weather, you have a lake for a neighbor, complete with loons, sunsets, sunrises, leaf changing, new snow, ice fishing, snow sledding. We hunt, we use our lake places year round. It's vacation land. That's what it says on the bottom of the license plates, right? You're in Maine. You're lucky enough to be in Maine full time, the way life should be. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you very much for watching the Maine Real Estate channel. Thanks for hanging around to the end of the video, and please look down below in the Show More region. That's where you find the price, the link to the website information, local bank contact information. Everything about the area and the property is down below in the Show More region. We'll see you next time on the Maine Real Estate channel, and don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel if you're not already a member. That way you'll learn about properties before the rest of the world.